हेलो एवरीवन, अश्मिता दिस साइड। नाउ आज के इस क्लास में हम लोग CSIR UGC नेशनल एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट नेट का जो जूनियर रिसर्च फेलोशिप और लेक्चरशिप के जो सिलेबस है फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ साइंसेस, उसके सिलेबस को थोड़ा सा देख लेंगे। तो डिटेल्स में देखेंगे कि कौन से पोर्शंस इंपॉर्टेंट है और कौन से चैप्टर्स में ज़्यादा वेटेज है क्वेश्चंस का। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं विद अ वेरी बेसिक कंटेंट्स portion, that is यहाँ पे molecules and interaction relevant to biology, this is important. Then cell communication, cell signaling is important. Then system physiology, plant system physiology, animal, both are important. Ecological principles, applied biology, methods in biology, these are all important chapters over here. Now coming to the portion of coming to the portion in detailed way, stabilizing interactions, then principles of catalysis, enzymes and enzyme kinetics, these are all important over here. Then conformation of proteins, then यहाँ पे cellular organization में membrane structure and function के अंदर lipid bilayer, then mechanism of sorting and regulation of intracellular transport, electrical properties of membranes, these are important parts. और इसके अलावा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ जीन्स में एंड क्रोमोसोम्स में ऑपेरॉन, यूनिक एंड रिपीटेटिव डीएनए का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर रहना चाहिए. इंटरप्टेड जीन्स, देन यूक्रोमाटिन, ट्रांसपोसन्स, दीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट्स. यहाँ पे पिछले पॉइंट में एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, पेरोक्सिसोम्स, एंड प्लास्टिड्स, वैक्यूल्स, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है इन सभी का, ये स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन आपको याद रखना है. सेल डिवीजन के हर एक स्टेजेस को याद रखिए, दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कमिंग टू फंडामेंटल प्रोसेसेस, डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन है यहाँ पे, रेप्लिकेशन फॉर्क इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, साइट स्पेसिफिक रिकॉम्बिनेशंस, repair mechanisms are important. Coming to RNA synthesis and processing, RNA polymerases, then RNA processing, RNA transport, these are all important things. Coming to the next part, that is protein synthesis and processing. यहाँ पे जो important है वो है post translational modification of proteins, initiation factors and their regulation, ribosome, all these are important things. Control of gene expression at transcription and translation level. Viruses, prokaryotic and eukaryotic genes, role of chromatin in gene expressions, gene silencing. This part is entirely important. Under cell communication and cell signaling portion is definitely important. Then cancer, this is the hot topic from where the questions can come. Innate and adaptive immune system, this part is also very important over here. Coming to developmental biology, over here basic concepts of development के बारे में तो आपको already पता है in details. From here morphogenetic gradients, cell fate and cell lineages, stem cells, like recent very important topic, stem cells. Then gametogenesis, fertilization or early development, say embryo sac development, double fertilization in plants. Then in gastrulation and formation of germ layers in animals, embryogenesis, establishment of symmetry in plants, these are there. In morphogenesis and organogenesis in animals, sex determination, larval formation, metamorphosis, environmental regulation of normal development is important part. Cell aggregation is there, differentiation is there. Coming to programmed cell death, aging and senescence, systems physiology, these things everyone knows, these things, sensory photobiology, and everyone has a clear concept regarding that. So yes, just go through the concepts. These are also the same thing, these you have been studying since your childhood, so definitely you would be knowing these things. Coming to the next part, that is system physiology, that is of animal system physiology. Blood corpuscles, hemopoiesis, then blood groups, hemoglobin, immunity, all these are important. Cardiovascular system, under its ECG, principle and significance is important. Chemical regulation of all of the above that has been mentioned. Under respiratory system, Yes, respiratory system and nervous system both are important parts. Thermoregulation is important. Endocrinology and reproduction part is also important. Coming to inheritance biology, concept of gene is important. Then gene mapping methods, this part is important. Extra chromosomal inheritance is important. Then microbial genetics part is important. Structural, okay, mutation is very important. Then structural and numerical alterations of chromosomes. Coming to diversity of life forms, principles and methods of taxonomy, the concepts. Then outline classification of plants, animals, and microorganisms is important. Coming to natural history of Indian subcontinent, these just simple concepts you need to know about this part. Not very much important though. Rare endangered species, don't have to focus that much on these things. Ecological principles, yes, focus on habitat and niche. Then population ecology, then community ecology, ecosystem ecology, and biogeography. These are all important portions. In applied ecology, just the concept and the management approaches. In conservation biology, Project Tiger, biosphere reserves, management strategies, all the strategies you need to know. Emergence of evolutionary thoughts under evolution and behavior. Darwin concept is really important. Then Mendelism, origin of cells and unicellular evolution, anaerobic metabolism, photosynthesis, aerobic metabolism. This part is important. Paleontology and evolutionary history, under which origins of unicellular and multicellular organisms. Again, the origin of life, evolution of life is important. Next, molecular evolution. From here, origin of new genes and protein, gene duplication and divergence is important part. Molecular tools and phylogeny. Next is mechanism, population, gene pool, gene frequency, migration and random genetic drift. Then sexual selection, coevolution, convergent evolution. Next is brain behavior and evolution. This part is important. Kin selection, reciprocal altruism, social communication, social dominance, reproductive success, parental investment part is important. Under applied biology, things that are important include application of immunological principles, vaccines and diagnostics are important. This part, bioresource and use of biodiversity. No, this part is not that much important. Come to breeding in plants and animals, bioremediation and phytomediation, biosensors are important. Coming to methods in biology, molecular biology, yes, recombinant DNA methods, yes, these portions are all important. Here, nothing can be dropped. Immunotechniques, yes, under immunotechniques, in situ localization by techniques such as FISH and GISH, biophysical methods, yes, molecular analysis using light scattering, different types of mass spectrometry, these are important parts. Under statistical methods, sampling distribution, confidence interval, errors, levels of significance, regression and correlation, these are important parts. Okay. Coming to the last thing, that is radio labeling techniques. Here, the molecular imaging of radioactive material, safety guidelines, microscopic techniques under which the freeze tech, then freeze fracture methods for image processing methods in microscopy, these are important. Electrophysiological methods under which ECG, brain activity recording, lesion and stimulation of brain, pharmacological testing, MRI, IMRI, CAT, all these are important. Methods in field biology, direct and remote observations, sampling methods in the study of behavior, these are important things. Remote sensing methods. Yes, so basically these are the important stuff that you need to focus on more, because these have more weightage over here in this examination. So yes, if you want to prepare well for these examinations and any kind of entrance examinations, if you're preparing for it, then you can join our classes for better guidance. Now we are providing here with live lectures, recorded lectures portal access that would be available to all the enrolled candidates 24/7. We are also providing them with study materials, giving them provisions to take them at the doorstep delivery. And here we are going to have interactive sessions and also doubt clearing sessions and mock test facilities, so that you can know what's your preparation level is all about, like how you're improving, what you need to do. Mock test tests those things only. You will be able to understand your preparation level. So yes, if you want to join our classes, आप नीचे दिए गए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाके देख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे हमारे क्लासेस के बारे में सभी डिटेल्स दिया गया है। आप हमें कॉल कीजिए और अपने क्वेरीज के बारे में आप पूछ सकते हैं। अगर आपके मन में और भी कोई डाउट्स है तो नीचे दिए गए कमेंट बॉक्स में आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं, so that we can just answer them. Thank you for being with me till the end of this video. Let's meet again in the next videos.